Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. Today, we have something that's sure to pique your interest: the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. This tiny yet powerful desktop computer has undergone a significant upgrade, and we're here to explore all the exciting details. But before we dive into the details, let's unbox the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B and share our first impressions. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B is more than just a mini computer. It's a complete desktop experience packed into a small, energy-efficient form factor. Raspberry Pi fans, get ready for some exciting news. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B has undergone a complete upgrade and re-engineering, making it faster and more powerful than its predecessors. One of the standout features is the ability to run two monitors simultaneously, both in 4K resolution. That's right, this tiny computer can handle dual displays like a champ. With improved speed and performance, the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B transforms into a fully fledged desktop computer. Whether you're editing documents, multitasking with web browsing and spreadsheets, or creating presentations, you'll find the experience smooth and familiar. What's more, this fanless wonder is incredibly energy efficient, running silently while consuming far less power than traditional computers. Raspberry Pi 4 takes your connectivity to the next level with upgraded USB capacity, including two USB 3 ports for lightning-fast data transfers. It also features Gigabit Ethernet, onboard wireless networking, and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. Raspberry Pi understands that one size doesn't fit all. That's why they offer different variants of the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, with varying RAM options: 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, or a whopping 8 GB of RAM. Now, let's explore some exciting applications for this versatile device. Whether you're into coding, IoT projects, retro gaming, or turning it into a media center, the possibilities are endless. If you're new to Raspberry Pi, don't worry. We'll guide you on how to get started and unleash the full potential of this amazing device. Are you ready to experience the power of the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B for yourself? Check out the purchase link in the video description below. And if you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews from Product Critique. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, the world of technology is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.